What's going on, y'all? Glad to be back. Glad to be back. Now, as you know, here in St. Louis, we got hit with that tornado. Thankfully, my house is fine, but I was without electricity and internet for about 2 weeks. But I'm back now, y'all. I'm back now. So, of course, we gonna go ahead and rain on them. Hit them with a little bit of salt, pepper, and a little bit of that good steak seasoning. Now, once we get it seasoned up, we're going to get it straight into a hot cast iron pan with a little bit of grapeseed oil, about 2 tablespoons, y'all. Now, here in St. Louis, man, it's been great. People have been giving, and we have been volunteering ourselves to help people out. It's a beautiful thing, y'all. But as soon as you get a good crust on it, just like that, we going to give it a flip. And look at that crust on that lamb, y'all. Don't it look tasty? Now, once we come up to around 120 internally, we're going to hit it with a little bit of butter. And then we're going to throw in a little rosemary. Now, I only had dry rosemary today, so I had to do what I had to do. But anyway, we're going to go and get it basted. You want to baste that butter all over them lamb chops, y'all. That's where that flavor gonna come from. And these were so good, y'all. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. Because as soon as it came up to that 145, I got it out, plated up with a baked potato. And look at that plate, y'all. Look at that plate. Oh my goodness, this was so good, y'all. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.